In the 2000s, Japanese automakers produced some fantastic sports coupes that remain affordable, reliable, and fun to drive in today's used market. One of the best underrated options is the 2001 to 2003 Acura CL Type-S. Built on the Honda Accord platform, this luxury coupe from Honda's premium brand Acura combines everyday practicality with genuine performance. At the heart of the CL Type-S is a 3.2-liter VTEC V6 engine producing 260 horsepower and 232 pounds-to-foot of torque. Paired with a smooth 5-speed automatic, or the rare 6-speed manual in 2003 models, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds, impressive for its era and competitive with more expensive rivals. The VTEC kick at higher RPMs delivers that signature Honda thrill, while the handling is sharp thanks to a sport-tuned suspension. Inside, it's a step above typical sports coupes with leather seats, a Bose premium audio system, sunroof, and automatic climate control, luxuries that make it comfortable for daily driving. Reliability is a major strength, sharing components with the bulletproof Honda Accord. These cars often last well over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, especially timely timing belt changes. Parts are plentiful and cheap. Today, you can find clean examples for $5,000, $10,000, offering incredible value compared to pricier alternatives like the Nissan 350Z or Infiniti G35. While those are faster in some configs, the CL Type-S strikes the perfect balance of affordability, dependability, and engaging driving dynamics. If you're hunting for a 2000s V6 sports coupe that's cheap to own, reliable for years, and quick enough to put a smile on your face, the Acura CL Type-S is an absolute gem.